Hello students, as if you are able to read the word heading of today's video, we are going to discuss some questions based on exponents. This is an extra video I am making for you because some of you people are saying that you are unable to understand the question, you are unable to understand the concept. I don't know where is the mistake. You are learning this exponent from class 6. Okay, though you have facing some problems, it means you have to start from the beginning. So those who need to start from beginning, they go through the all other videos of exponent previously made by me, last two videos. In this video we discuss some more questions so that you can easily understand the concept. The very first question is this one. Now see this question. As we know all the laws of exponent, we apply each laws to solve this question. As we know, something to the power 0 is always 1. So whatever given in the base, power is 0, so it's a 1. Now see in this case. In this case, we have minus 0.1. It's a 1 upon 10 whole to the power minus 1. We can change the sign. It's a 2 to the power 3 by 3. Minus sign goes to plus sign into within bracket 3 upon 2 whole to the power 3 plus minus sign is there, so we can write on minus 3. It's a plus 1. Remember, here we change the sign from minus 1 to plus 1 by reciprocating the base. Here it's a minus 1 upon 3. When we reciprocate, it's a minus 3. Now come to the part. Sorry. It's a 1. Now again, if we reciprocate, what we have? 10 to the power 1 or simply 10 divided by, here we can solve some questions. 2 to the power 3 by 3 into 3 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 plus and minus, it's a minus 3. Hope this one is clear to you. This one is clear. Now see, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 cancels each other. From this side to this, 1 minus 10, it's a minus 9. 3 to the power 3, here 3 to the power 1. So what we have? We have 3 to the power 3 minus 1 and minus 3. Now we can see it's a minus 9, 3 to the power 2 minus 3, it's a minus 9, 9 minus 3. It's a minus 9 upon 6, it's a minus 3 upon 2. So this is your solution. Likewise, you have to solve all other questions. Now see this question. In this question, we have to find out the value of x. We have a given expression and we have to find out the value of x. For this, we check that whether bases are same or not. Yes, bases are same. So from the laws of exponent, we can say that here we have same multiply sign, bases multiplied by each other with different power. So 7 upon 4 whole to the power, we add the bases, equals to 7 upon 4 whole to the power 3x minus 2. Both side bases are same, so comparing both side, what we have, we can write down therefore minus 3 minus 5 equals to 3x minus 2. Implies that minus 8 plus 2 equals to 3x. Minus 6 equals to 3x. X equals to minus 6 divided by 3, it's a minus 2. So hope likewise you have to find out the values of x by comparing both sides. Remember, first we have to make the base equal, then only we are able to compare the powers at this condition. Hope this one is clear to you. Move to the next question. Again, in this question we have to find the value of x, but here bases are not same. What I told you that we have to make the base same. So in this case 3 2x minus 1 as same equals to 1. We convert 27 into 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power is x minus 3. 3 to the power 2x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 3 to the power 3x minus 9. Now we have to find out the value of x. So for this case we convert this to this side. 3 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 9 equals to 1. We have same base, so we can write down 2x minus 1 3 power must be added equals to 1 is there, so we can write down 3 to the power 0. Something to the power 0 equals to 1, that we know. Now come to this side. From here 2 plus 3 to the power 5x minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 equals to 3 to the power 0. Both side bases we have same, so we can write down 5x minus 10 equals to 0, 5x equals to 10, or x equals to 2. This is your solution. Hope you can easily understand. Remember, in this case first we make the base same, then do the multiplication. Here we have 1, this one is remaining, so this one again we have to convert it with the same base, 3 to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Then in this case we compare both side power because base is same, so we have the value of x. Move to today's last question. Now again we have to find out the value of x, and what I told you that we have to take care to make the base same. In this case bases are not same. Here bases are p upon q, here q upon p. How we convert them? By changing the sign of the power. So here we can write down p upon q 3x plus 2 equals to. Now if we reciprocate the base, likewise sign of the power is also changes, minus of 2 minus x. Now hope this one is clear. Now from both sides we have same base, so we can write down therefore 3x plus 2 equals to minus 2 minus x. We simplify. 3x minus x equals to minus 2 minus 2. It's a 2x equals to minus 4, x equals to minus 2. This is your solution. Hope you can understand the concept of exponent. Practice all the questions discussed by me in the last 3 videos. That's all for today. Thank you.